How to link Rainbow Six Mobile with Facebook. Hi everyone! Are you trying to link your Rainbow Six Mobile account with Facebook so you don't lose your progress? If yes, then it's a great idea. It is one of the safest way to back up your account. First of all, open the Rainbow Six Mobile game on your device. And once you're inside the main lobby page, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top right corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go to the bottom left and then look for the Account and Legal option and tap on it. Inside Account and Legal, go to the right-hand corner at the top and tap on Link Account. Now, you'll have a couple of different options you can continue linking your account with. To link account with Facebook, click the Facebook option. Then you'll need to go ahead and enter your Facebook account's credentials. Type in your email or phone number and then your password for your Facebook account in the text boxes and click login. After tapping the login button, and if your credentials are correct, allow necessary permission after signing in and your game will be connected to Facebook. And there you have it. Now your Rainbow Six Mobile progress is safely saved to Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.